I'm going to replace all the rollers on this garage door. There are 10 of them right from the bottom there. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, that's 5. So I'm going to replace all 10, but today I'm going to do only the 8. The 8, 4 on 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to replace this 4. And the bottom one I will leave it for today. I will do that another day because it's all rusted. The bracket is all rusted. And I want to replace the bracket as well. And it's a little bit more involved because the balancing cable is attached to this bracket, so I cannot take out this one. The way I'm going to do it is to remove the hinge. Take out the hinge. I will take out this hinge like here with 11 millimeter socket. I will take out this hinge. There are 4 screws here. I will take out this hinge, replace the roller and put it back. That's how I'm going to do it. That's why I'm leaving the bottom one, because that one has the cable, the tension cable attached to it. So I cannot do that one today. I'm going to do that another day. So I will get to work and remove the 4 on top and the 4 on the other side of this door, and I will do that and I will show you what I've done. Okay, I removed 3 screws and I will take out the 4th screw and I will take out the hinge. Oh, there's one more here. I remove only 2. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to remove this last one. Okay. I will remove that one, and the hinge came off. Then, once I take out this hinge, I can replace the roller and then put it back. Okay, the hinge is out, so I will take out this roller. This roller is not good anymore. See it is moving from side to side, and I'm going to replace it with new ones over here. Okay, I will put that back in there and attach the hinge back on the door. See, this is a new roller and it doesn't move from side to side. That one down here is worn out. It's moving from side to side. See, can you see that? It's moving. Okay, I'm going to change. Okay, so that's how I'm going to put the screw back in there. Okay, all the 4 screws are in there. I'm going to tighten it. Okay. Okay, now I have done 1 and I have 7 more to go for today. As I said, the bottom one I'm going to do that another day. The roller was worn out and the garage became very hard to open, and the garage opener also is quite old and it probably ripped something inside and it's not able to open this garage door. So I'm going to fix this over the next 2 weekends. See, I replaced all 8 rollers. There are 2 at the bottom which I didn't replace. I will do that later on another day because it needs a bit more work. And I'm able to open the garage door. Otherwise it was really hard to pull it up. And right now it is open. I can pull it down here. See, I'm able to close it and I was able to open it earlier. Let me try and open it. The garage door needs some work to make it balanced because it's been old. It's been 20 years since I've been using this garage door and it needs some work to get it back to good condition. Alright, thanks.